Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Take control of your subscriptions and other recurring payments, plus pause and close privacy cards at any time. And get $5 right now to try the service at collision.live/privacy. Our next guest is here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Good. How are you guys?
Fantastic.
Great.
Go ahead and introduce yourself for us.
Okay, my name is Stas. I'm a co-founder of Hedgie.io. It's a free-to-play game with real-world awards.
Ooh. So tell us a little bit about that. What kind of game?
I can tell you about that.
Perfect.
It's a idle strategy game. The game itself works like this. You have a Hedgie, a character, and then you send it on a journey into 4 kingdom in the game. You need to strategize where to send it. Each one has unique powers and skills, and then it brings back loot. You can also strategize. You want to consume it or you want to exchange it for coin. But the objective of the game is to make coin ultimately. And this is a crypto coin that is spendable at real world businesses.
Okay.
Okay. What kind of businesses would the coin be accepted by?
So right now we've partnered with a few businesses, so probably about 5 or 6 global businesses, because our users are everywhere in the world. And at first, because we're based in Toronto, we signed a bunch of businesses in Toronto, but then we realized that our users are everywhere, so we need to go for global businesses. So now we have a few of them. We still have a few businesses in Toronto, of course, but we're making partnerships with our main fit with businesses that are global and that sell digital products. So for them, it's easier to give our users like a free 1-month subscription or a free something in exchange of coins. So our users make this coin in the game, and then they can spend it on this real world awards.
What would be some ideal rewards for you?
So I'll tell you the one we have actually. We just partnered up with Unstoppable Domains. So these are the guys that do domains on blockchain. So like when people send crypto to each other, they have to use this wallet addresses that are a bunch of characters that is difficult to type or nearly impossible, and you need to copy and paste. So Unstoppable Domains does away with all that. You get your own domain, just like normal domain, like let's say, I don't know, what's your name? Sorry, didn't meet you guys. Scott.com, right? So in this case, the extension is .zil, and then I type scott.zil and send you 5 Bitcoins, and it goes to your wallet. Or if I send you 5 Ethereum, it goes to your wallet. So the Unstoppable Domain does that. So we made a partnership with them. Our users will be able to buy that domain for our coin, the first one. So for them, it's kind of free.
Awesome.
Wow.
So that's one example.
How did it just take until now to be able to do that? That's great. To be able to target by a normal word,
well,
that's great.
Yeah,
I like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's a interesting reward, and since you're obviously already in the crypto space, it makes sense that would be a company that would be interested in partnering.
Yeah. So actually, our users are not necessarily crypto enthusiasts.
Sure.
We want to attract people who are curious about it, but actually they haven't engaged with crypto economy because of risk involved. Like, no one wants to lose money. The prices are always volatile. You don't necessarily want to buy Bitcoins or Ethereum or any of them. And also, there's a lot of hurdles. Like, you need to create an account with an exchange, pass KYC, buy crypto. So we do away with all that. It's a free-to-play game. All you need is your email and password, and you start playing right away. You get some coin. So there's a bit of an educational component. Like, we attract people, and then once they earn some coin, then we're saying, okay, now you can transfer it to your wallet outside the game. For that, you need this and that. And so it's like easy way to get into with no risk and no big hurdles.
Okay. So on the coin side, are there a set number of them that exist?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's only X number, and so...
Yeah, so, I mean, the number is... So, like Bitcoin is 21 million, for example, and some others all kinds of different numbers. So for us, it's actually my business partner. He has this thing for numbers. So it's like 88. I think it's 8,888. It's all eights.
Okay, got it. Okay, so I play the game. I get 5 coins. I then go and I buy my crypto domain, and now they have those 5 coins.
They have them.
Where do they go from there? Because now that they have them and there's a limited number of them, somehow they have to get back into the economy, right?
Yeah. So on for business owners, our pitch is basically lead gen. So for them, we drive users to them, and then business owners, like, they ask, what am I going to do with this coin? Okay, so you can spend it at other participating businesses, or you can, if you're a gamer, you can play this game, spend it inside the game. This coin is spendable inside the game, of course, as well. It's a virtual currency inside the game.
Okay.
But
so that gets it back into the game economy.
It can get back into the game, or can be spent at another participating business, or you can, like, give perks to your employees who are interested. If you yourself are not interested in this, like, give some perks to your employers, or send it to your nephew, like, he can use it inside the game. Or it's and so our vision is to build economy around this token, so that it starts trading on crypto exchanges. And then, like, once that happens, then you can go on a crypto exchange and convert it to fiat.
Understood. Okay. So there's several ways to transfer. Once it's out, it can be transferred, which is the important part, and then it can be brought back into the game.
Yeah.
So that's how it gets back into the game economy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So so it's kind of like merging a little bit with virtual with real.
So the current way to get the coin is by playing the game and, like, finding things.
Finding things.
And then you can sell those things in the game.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
So the game is more like exploration based.
Yeah, you could say that. It's kind of like strategy, exploration. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And is it a web game? Is it a mobile game? Is it a desktop game?
Right now it's web, so it's a browser game, but it works well on mobile. It's responsive website.
Okay.
And so it's an alpha. We just launched at the end of January.
Okay.
So now we're kind of working with our early adopters, with our community, to refine the game, and then we're going to build the mobile app. Once it's kind of takes more kind of solid shape, we'll build the apps.
Make sure all the game metrics and everything are fleshed out, and
then
go develop.
Exactly. All the mechanics are working, like, it's all balanced well and all
it's
that.
Fun.
Yeah.
That's the most important part.
Is it fun?
It's fun for everybody.
And it's fun, yeah. Of course, yeah.
It is a game, after
Without fun, it won't get too far.
Sure. So what kind of timeline are you looking at for your next steps? So
for the next steps, we're looking to build the mobile apps in the next 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
So right now we're focused on growing our users. So we're building partnerships with other projects, building different campaigns to grow our users. And so maybe in about a month or so, we'll start developing the mobile apps and launch them. And then all the while, like, keep adding new partnerships with real businesses, so people can spend coin in more different ways. And then next year, our big goal, is to get on a crypto exchange. Okay, that makes sense. So that's your next year goal. You're an alpha here at Collision. What is your goal here? Our goal here was to meet with some potential investors, meet with some potential partners. We actually made a business partnership with some guys here who have a really cool product that they will sell 1 month. It's a subscription-based model, so 1 month subscription for our coin. Build partnerships like this, and then talk to different people. So we met someone from an accelerator that we actually was thinking of applying. So it's nice to get, like, firsthand from them. Yeah, if it's an accelerator you're already familiar with and get to interact with a human being from there, that's always good. Yeah. So mostly, like, networking, building relationships, meeting people. Has it been a success for you so far? I would say so. Yeah. It's overwhelming. There's so much going on, but it's been good. It's definitely a big event. Huge.
and can be very successful and very lucrative for a lot of people. So that's
Cool.
good.
Very
I'm
cool.
glad to hear that. So obviously the game is in alpha.
Yeah.
We're really early. Is it possible for anybody to sign up and start playing?
Anybody
or is it closed?
can. No, it's open now. It's open. Anybody can sign up. It's hedgie.io. Go to the website. Just email and password. No other hurdles. You sign up. You get a free Hedgie right away. You can start playing and making coin.
So what kind of character is Hedgie?
Hedgie is like a hedgehog,
A
I guess.
hedgehog,
Just
yeah.
like a digital
Good.
hedgehog.
Okay.
With that
That's what I was thinking.
With that name, it was going to be a little sad if it
Is
wasn't.
he like cutesy, cartoony?
I can show it to you, but it's... Oh, no, I can. I have a business card here. There it is. So it's all different colors. Each Hedgie is unique.
Him. I don't know
It's
if we
it's
could
tied
show.
to...
I don't know if it's viewable there.
It's tied to a hex color, so each Hedgie is unique hex color on the internet, and that hex color determines its powers and skills inside the game. And
I love
there's also
him.
limited amount of these Hedgies because there's only 16 million, a little bit, of hex colors that exist on the internet. So that is also part of it. But if there's 16 million of them, there's plenty for everybody. So far.
This is great.
So everybody's is unique.
Each one of them is unique. Yeah. Well, this is where the blockchain comes in, right? Because it's a token. It has unique hex code. It has unique characteristics, and yeah. So you can even strategize at that point. Some people like choose because they like this color, but some people say, "Oh, I want strong firepower because
And they
I
have
want."
different
Yeah.
capabilities
Yeah.
based on the color.
Exactly.
That is very smart. I like it.
I would like
Cool.
my corporate green, please.
And Scott, I need the rest of the afternoon off because I'm going to get a Hedgie and
Uh-huh.
I'm going to start playing.
Yeah.
Talk to me. I'll give you a free gift code. You can get 2 for the price of 1, which is free, and off you go.
Thank you.
I was going to say, I am
Mine's going to be blue.
next break.
I won't want
Nice.
to. Yeah.
Nice.
We're all going to be playing today.
Cool.
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome.
This is really cool. Thank you so much for coming by and talking about
yeah.
this.
Thank you
'cause
for having me.
We're very happy.
Okay.
You've gotten us excited about this.
Nice. Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
Have a good
Okay.
rest of the conference.
Bye. You too.
Bye.